Hi everyone! In this 3D tutorial we are going to draw a crack in the paper, and we will also be drawing in some lines. So this is my example, and we are going to draw this one-on-one so you can draw along. Oh, and by the way, my cat is watching too. You start out with some scribbly lines to draw. Go away, please, please. To get the first lines started. You can see they end out real fine. And so I continue and make the outer line of this hole in the paper. Here you see it. Once you have this, all you need to do is draw vertical lines into the depth below. Oh, get the side. My cat is always watching, but he's okay. So here you see the ridges of our crack in the ground. Now we can start coloring this in. Oh, and I'm using a black color pencil, by the way. Just a simple one, but you can also use a graphite pencil if you want. You can see that in the far left, where the cracks are tiny and narrow, I put in some extra pressure so that that gets darker. Make sure that the coloring in is all done vertically. So do not color in sideways, but from up to down and from down to up. By pressing lighter and harder on your pencil, you get the nice different kinds of gray. Take your time in coloring this in, and make sure that the far ends of the crack are colored in extra dark, as you can see here. Here also, I press a little bit harder, and for the edges, I press a little bit less hard. Here I'm sorry, he's always watching. I will put him on the ground because he is, well, getting in the way. Here I continue drawing the rest in. Here I go to the deep, deep down below, for as far as you can see. Even the cat is fooled by this, as you can see. He's watching me closely if I'm doing this okay. Here, in the deepest point of our crack in the hole, in the ground, go away. I will place him on the ground again. In the deepest part of this crack, I press the hardest on my pencil so that that gets extra dark. Well, this is kind of starting to look really neat. And here I'm coloring it in extra dark, and here in the front I will darken up those cracks extra because they are nearest to you and they need to be really, really dark. As on top of the drawing, they are a bit less deep. And here I'm putting in some extra texture to suggest that it is a ground, a ravine, if you like. Okay, now for the next step, you take a blue color pencil and a ruler. Now all you need to do is draw in the writing lines, but you do not put those into the crack itself. I've speeded up the time here a little bit because, well, it speaks for itself. You simply draw in all the lines straight next to each other. Then for the sideline, I put in a red line, and here I'm drawing in the little punch hole. I make sure that the lower part of this ravine is the darkest, so I check everything a little bit at the end. But, well, I think it's neat enough to make a picture now. I will make a picture with a little bit of an angle, and you can see it right here, that I'm placing it in the angle where the drawing paper is going farther away, and you can also place in some pencils if you want. Hope you enjoyed watching, so if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and I hope to see you again in one of my other drawing tutorials. See you next time. Take care.